Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 32. In this project, we are going to build a age calculator. What is an age calculator? How do you calculate an age? Well, it's as simple as that, guys. Your date of birth, your month and the year and number of days. Is it so easy? Oh, well, yeah. You can search in Google and immediately get an answer. But building an app is pretty interesting and fascinating, that too using Python. So it's pretty easy, guys, and I'm going to show you some interesting facts about this. Obviously, we are importing Tkinter module and also the date time module, and then almost a similar logic as a calculator function, but like slight differences there, of course. So you may go through this code, I can explain to you one on one, in detail. It's about 80-85 lines of code. If you are a beginner and trying to understand it hard, I would say go ahead, do that, take some effort, put some effort, Google around, you will understand this. But still, if you're stuck, I'll be happy to walk you through step by step, zero to hero. All right, so let's run through this code, guys, and let's see what happens. So this is a small little app, a GUI, the happy little Tkinter app. Now you can change the color, modify the font, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Let's say date of birth, let's say 3rd. Okay, month of birth, say 8. Let's say birth year, say 2008. Okay, now click the get age button. Your age is 12 years 9 months 15 days. That's fantastic. Let me clear this. Let's say 5, let's say 28, and then let's say birth month. How many months are there in a year? 12. Let me try 13 and see what happens. There are no 13 month in a year. And birth year, say 1942. Get age, there is an error. That's good. So see, can you see the list index out of range? That's good. So for, let's say, 24, month 5, birth year, say 1989, get age 31 years 11 months 25 days. So guys, this is a pretty simple app and you can understand how it works. Most important aspect, guys, you can modify this code, you can come out with your own imagination and add some plugins here and do ton loads of things. You can add the GUI and make it more intuitive. You can also add play sound, the module which we installed in the beginning of this lesson, beginning of the series. You can add sound as well. So there are ton loads of things we can do. And by the way, the previous lesson, the zodiac sign, you can also include the zodiac into this calculator. Just imagine, you just have to just imagine, guys. You can do ton loads of things. All right, guys, feel free to reach me out. I'll be happy to take a one-on-one lesson with you. Goodbye.